Wow, guys, let's see. There is a carpenter scale. You repair to this crack wood. Wow. That's so nice. Now you make the finishing. Use the blender here. Wow. Finally, so shiny. That's great.